Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 1, take 1.
Action.
Hey, are you fishing?
Oh, dude, yes I am.
Oh, I love fish. Can you teach me, Turtle?
Sure thing. Here, take this net and give it a go.
Okay.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 2, take 1.
Action.
Turtle! Turtle, look! I got one!
Radical, dude. Hand me that little guy and throw the net back in the water.
Cut.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 4, take 1.
Action. Cut.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 5, take 1.
Action. Cut.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 6, take 1.
Action.
Whoa, another one! We're gonna have so much fish.
Cut.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 7, take 4.
Action.
You ate all my fish! I'm calling for justice. Warthog!
Cut. Out. You're doing it. You're all doing it.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 8, take 2.
Action.
What?
No way! It's the great Warthog, Speaker of Justice!
Warthog, I worked so hard to catch these fish, but Turtle ate them all. It's not fair.
Is this true, Turtle?
Cut.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 9, take 4.
Action.
What? Yes, but... Fish, man!
Cut.
Quiet on set!
Sound. Ready. Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 10, take 1.
Action.
You must apologize. And since you took something precious from Anansi, you must give something precious in return. Hand over your shell.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 11, take 1.
Action.
My shell? But I love my shell. Okay.
Cut.
Good.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 12, take 1.
Action.
okay. I don't want your shell.
Cut.
Quiet on set!
Sound.
Ready.
Speeding. Camera.
Ready.
Anansi goes fishing. Scene 1, shot 13, take 3.
Action.
Oh, really? I'm sorry about the fish, man.
It's okay. I don't think a spider could pull off that look anyways.
Yeah, you're right. You would look a little silly.
And with that, we are brought to the moral of our story. Keep only what is yours.
Cut.
Was I loud enough?